Hey there. On our website blog section, we have a category called the War on WordPress. I'm not a fan. It's outdated technology. It was originally built for just blogs. It's been retrofitted so that anyone can and pretty much download the open source free software and cobble it together. And you get good versions, you get better versions, but you don't get great versions of website software, in my opinion. And the opinion of a lot of others. And I saw really great feedback on the subject on LinkedIn the other day, as a guy was mentioning that he regards plugins as doors into the fortress. Most WordPress websites need around 20 plugins. They're made by who knows who, and they are not that well maintained, and a lot of them are vulnerable to being hacked. So that's how someone's going to get in. That's how they're going to hack your website. So please, pick some decent licensed software and get some security around your website and some certainty about the performance of what you're getting. Okay, I hope this helps.